Hi everyone, it's the Canny Crafter and I am here with another, well I suppose we're now down to last minute Halloween crafts, aren't we, by the time this airs. So I was inspired by the fact that we have a lot of these glass jars. These were from dog biscuits and they were like reduced, so bought a lot, have a lot of glass jars. So as you do, I was having a little skeet around Pinterest, saw some skeleton fairies, that's what they were called. So when I went to the pound shop, I'll show you what the package looks like. So these were from Poundland. I'm just saying pound shop. I think that's the only pound shop we have now in Britain. Anyway, Keep Your Town skeletons, you got 4 for £1. They're the perfect size for these jars. So I couldn't have done it better. So what I'm thinking is, first of all, we need to age this. We are going to use these flowers and stand my jar up. Apparently the floor runs off to the left. Learned that today, that's why they were there. But we are going to use these. So I want to sort of age them up a bit. I'm sorry if you can hear that noise, they're doing work next door. Okay, so this is just my Stays On ink. I'm just sort of rubbing it over. Just to try and grungy this skeleton up a bit. I just want to keep seeing skull. I think that's because I've done so many skull crafts. Does the arm move out? Can we get in there? Do the pelvis. Do the inside of the... Oh, the leg moves anyway. Let's do some of the back because it is going to be seen. I'm getting this ink everywhere. And I'm wearing a white top. So let's see how long it stays white. Do some more of the rib cage, I think. Front of the legs. Tuck the feet. More of the pelvis. Okay. I think he's scrunched up. Did you love my knowledge of anatomy there? Pelvis, front leg, back leg. Okay, I'm also going to try and just do a little bit of a what is this? I never know what these are called. Vintage photo. Just to knock back the yellowness of this plastic. I don't want it completely uniform, but just enough to take the edge off it. Okay, so if we're bringing in the before and the after, we'll just grunge them up a bit. Look at the state of my hands. So now to turn them into a fairy, we're going to need some butterfly wings. These, oh my goodness, are not coming out. These were the butterflies I used for, hang on, has that video gone out yet? I don't know. Anyway, I've used these in another project that you may or may not have seen for the skulls. And I'm just gonna, oh no, we can fix that with some glue. Oh my goodness. I thought they might have been too small, but I think they're going to be just perfect. I mean, we could have left that in place, I'm thinking. Okay, maybe on the next one we'll use that. So, we need some, nearly knocked it on the floor, hot glue. So I'm just going to put some down the spine there. Turn it over. Like so. Ow, hot. Put some on that side of the spine. I need a bit more glue. Hat. Wait, I wish shoes would just stay where I've put you. Okay. I am wishing now though. I'll wait till that dries. Wishing I'd grunged these up before I stuck them down. But we'll wait till it dries. It's not really drying. What's going on? So I'm just going to keep adding more to it. Okay. I'm now looking at the back thinking if I stuck those on upside down, but I don't think it matters. Okay, for the jaw, I decided I would work on it upside down because it's going to be easier to attach things in there. How are we looking? Okay, we're looking better. So, oops, oh sorry, I knocked you. Okay, I'm just gonna, there's some weird stuff going on there. I thought if we could try and sort of build up some flowers in here. I don't know how this is going to work. Let's just go with it. I'm sort of trying to put them so they're a bit upright. Can you see? And then hopefully I'll just sort of tuck them in and twist the lid on, like so. Okay, I have a black flower here I need to glue together. And then we need to put these little stemmy bits in. Like so. Glue strands. And then I want to put these leaves on, so I'm going to cut that stem down. Add some glue there. And glue that in there like so. Again, it's sort of sitting upright. Then we have a little flower. I think again, yeah. They're not very well made, these flowers. Again, they're probably from the pound shop or something. Hot. And that little one can just sit on that side, like so. Need another glue stick again. Okay, so hopefully with some gentle persuasion that is what it will look like once it's tied up. You know what I mean. The lig's screwed on. Okay, let's try and grunge up these wings a bit. See, we can just do some black around there also. Okay. Now, position our fairy. Oh, okay. About there. So I'm gonna do hot glue on the tootsies. And stand you upright. Think I'm just gonna put a bit of glue on these petals here because he wants to bounce up. We have that so far. Oh, just still want to move around a bit. But only if you wiggle and jiggle him. Okay, I had these yellow flowers and I didn't know whether to sort of try and glue them behind. But then I don't know where behind will be once I screw the lid. So maybe again you are wanting to go back over. Okay, more glue. Ta-da! I thought going out of his pelvis. I think we're just gonna dot some of these around. Three seems like a good number. Why are you leaning again? Ah! Okay. How cute is that? Alright. Don't roll it away! Okay, so I also thought this would be quite cool to do. I went on Etsy, and I will link these down below. So these are from Tracy Fox Love Junk Journals. And these are like random sciencey labels set 2. So I got these, and I quite liked this one that says Bild, or the Natural History Collection of Specimen one. Oh, there's so many. There's so many. Oh, how about that? Specimen IG 3287. Details plant industry collected by. You know what? Let's just cut some out and see. I've just printed these on normal paper, copy of paper, whatever it is called. That just really had something to it. I don't know how to stick it on though. I'll have to go in and get, I don't know, the glaze trying to sort of make it look a bit like maybe a spider's got in there. Should we just stick it on with some sticky tape? Double-sided tape? Let's do double-sided tape. Have I got any double-sided tape? Printed it onto sticky paper, but I never thought of that until now. Okay. Oh, so I was also thinking, I've got all this jute twine. I got it in the sale, you know, the end of season sale, and it would just wrap it around a few times just to give a little texture. I'm just going to put a dot of glue there. Hold that while it goes up. Well, not hold it, wait until that goes out. Just go down a few times. Put it at the back. Hot glue. Please be very careful. Just scalded my thumb. Just to give it a bit something extra. So cool. I have 3 more skeletons and probably countless more jars, but I'm not sure on the flower count. Maybe I have to find another thing to decorate the bottom with. Maybe just some burlap. I have some burlap somewhere. Anyway, I definitely think those wings are upside down. But oh well, ho ho. So there we go. Simple, easy DIY. I mean, yeah, you could do it with like an old coffee jar or something. I wonder if I could reposition some of his limbs if we heated up the plastic. I definitely think winding them up was the way to go. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye!